Original interior, some wear on the vinyl, which is typical of these early ones. But no holes, just wear. You could get it replaced, obviously. That would be the expensive route to go with it. We've painted this section with black vinyl paint, which shows you if you use a certain sort of product, you can improve things. It's not something we'd undertake on the whole of the car, just because it's quite a big job. But it is feasible. Carpets are slightly faded, but I've seen worse. The Alcantara is in nice condition. Dashboard's not too bad apart from this area here. Again, vinyl wear. Steering wheel's nice. Glove box is not too badly warped for one of these. So, you get what you get really for the money. It's £20,000. It's had an engine rebuild 5 years ago. You get a free dog look. And it's done 3,000 odd miles since that rebuild. We've just done a base service on it, oil and filter, check over, set up throttle bodies, and replaced a leaking block to cooler hose, oil hose. Chassis has been treated, rubbed down in any areas that have got slight loss of powder coat, and then painted, and then lana guarded, which we do rate as a product. So the chassis is in good fettle. And last summer, which was approximately 500 miles ago, it had a 12k valve clearance service with central TVR. Drives well, it's got the 16-inch wheels on. It's not fully warm, so it's not going to tick over quite where she should. 750, 800, she's not quite up to temperature. She drives well. 16-inch wheels obviously help that, as always. Don't tell anybody, but they do drive better with 16s on. It's how they were designed in the first place. Set up for running on 16s. Oh, missing a rear diffuser. A few marks on the paint, as you'll see on the other videos, but pretty good really. We've seen cars at twice the price. They don't have paint as shiny as this one. So overall, good value. Some jobs to do, but you can live with it all.